Your garage floor is finished. I love the security. So although you're on a busy street, the whole front has definitely been completely run down. You've got your termite treatment in place. This whole front is new. You can tell the concrete is fresh. There's even little lights put in. This whole area has been cleaned up. Nicely done. You guys ready to see the rest? I love it. It reminds me of Savannah, Georgia. Yes, I came in the front door. Here is your garage. Huge tub. You can definitely fit a couple people in there. I hate when they do little tubs. I love the tile work. Little closet thing. This is a room. It is a full walk-in closet. The microwave would go here, or an appliance. It is gas, which is always wonderful to have in a beach town. Very nice kitchen. Get to see the kids playing. Pass food through the window. Very open. Central vac, so you've got your outlets. I love that. Sweep and don't need to bust out the shovel. Sweep it straight to the vac. Love that the tile goes all the way up. That is definitely new. Granite countertops. This is how laundry rooms should be. You can put a fridge here or hang stuff up. Having a sink in the laundry room is good. Nice to fold. It already has the speakers. Gas fireplace. All of the doors have locks, so if you have kids, they cannot get to your pool without you knowing. This is a wonderful safety feature. Oh my goodness, I am not leaving. Ah! Wow. Just the right size. You do not need any bigger. This will heat up nice in the summer. This is actually one of my favorite, like the glass tile. There's electricity. Put your TV here. Found the outdoor shower. Master bedroom. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a winner in my book. I love the pools.